Okay, the goal of this video is to help you make it really easy for your customers to order. So when they come to the order page, so if they hit create a new order, land on the order page, depending on what company is logged in, you want their billing and their shipping address to fill out automatically so that they don't have to go through and fill that out each time. And so say for example, we're going to have an order for Allmoxy LLC. You'll see that it automatically fills out the billing and shipping addresses. And the way you do that is on the company's contact page, go to Allmoxy LLC Services and edit their company info. If you scroll down to the address section, you'll see that there is a couple of addresses here, but particularly I want to emphasize this little box here. Use this address as the default for the selected type. So if that's the billing, it's checked, and the shipping, and it's checked, then back on that order page, those will automatically fill out so that they don't have to do that each time. Just a quick trick to make it easier on your customers as they are on the order tab.